Hi guys, it's Phoebe. I want to give a special thanks to my lovely friend Olga from Craftin' Creations. She's the one that came up with my beautiful logo there. She turned it from this into that beautiful logo you just saw there. She does a multitude of other projects and I will be linking all her information below. Let's give a special thanks to everybody that came together to make this project possible. So in this lovely challenge, you go out and buy your partner a thrifted item. Alongside, you are sending 3 to 5 other items within the kit, and they take it and they alter it and post their result. Hi guys, it's Phoebe. Welcome back to my channel. Today's a very exciting day. Today is the day that we are launching the lovely challenge that both me and Wanda have partnered up together to do with a few other collaborators here. And I'm so very excited to go ahead and get started. Also, if y'all are very interested in also doing this challenge, be sure to partner up with one of your lovely friends that you'd love to do this with and jump in on the fun. And I can't wait to see what you guys create. And my lovely partner is Kelly Santi Designs, so if y'all have not already checked out her channel, I suggest that you go and do so right now. She does hauls, she does project shares, and she's a lovely DIYer. And these are only a few of the items that she sent me. I of course have the rest over there. And I've just been brainstorming on how to make this already beautiful sign that she sent me. If y'all have not seen the unboxing, I'll be sure to link that one down below. I can't thank you guys enough for being here today, and all of this was possible because of you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I hope that I can show y'all the process of how I do this. I still don't know what I'm gonna be doing, but y'all are coming along the ride with me. So let's go ahead and get started. Figured I could put this in the back so that if so if some of this acrylic paint does fall on it and it leaves little sprinkles, I think this would look really cute on my journaling spread. So it'll prevent the mess, and I think it's gonna look cute. I like that. Looks really pretty. Or at least I think it does. And it's the tissue paper that she used to package this. And it's gonna look cute on my spread. What I wanna do is I wanna take this cute purple trim that she's given me while this is drying and maybe cut it to shape and then plop it inside the frame, and I think that's just gonna look really cute. I've never tried using this before, but Kelly, this is so cute. I love it. I love it so much, and I think it's gonna look phenomenal. Oh yes, look at that. That's gonna look so cute. I love it. All right, let's do it. I've measured it out, and I think it's gonna come out about here approximately. I do think that this has an adhesive, but I really want this beautiful gift that Kelly has given me to last me for many years to come, and I definitely want to hang it up here in my house. So let's go ahead and glue this girl down. Alright, so I did come up a little short right here. Let me scooch y'all up a little bit. Right about there. Y'all can kind of see it, but I'm thinking that I can put something there to conceal that. But I think we're off to a really great start. Feeling very proud. I hope I'm making you proud, Kelly. I hope you're liking this. I really quite liked this pink trim, and I think I want to incorporate it at the top as opposed to this, although this looks really cute and I feel really bad for removing it, but I really like how this looks. So let's go ahead and place her on her new home. On second thought, I think I'm gonna set all of this in place with the Mod Podge that she sent me, so this will require a little bit of drying time. Alright, so now this is drying. Sorry if y'all can hear my boys in the back. And I'm just going to go ahead and let it do its thing. And look, it matches my nails. Next, I have these cute little pink dots. And I think I want to put them on the to and on the and. Because if I go for these big words, I feel like it's going to take me forever. And I'm limited with time with my kiddos. But I think it's already looking cute. It's coming along very nicely. Earlier, I hadn't mentioned, but this is the glue that I'm using. I think it's E6000. And I trust it a lot, although it does say warning, but for the most part we are in a pretty well ventilated area, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some glue on that. I think my and came out a little wonky, but I think it'll be okay. Oops. Alright, so I went ahead and I added an extra flower because I thought it would look super cute. My string is almost done drying, so I'm just waiting on that. And being that I missed a little bit of jewels here on the side, I want to put this butterfly here at the corner, and I think that's going to look really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that down while we're still waiting for my string to dry. Alright, so this cutie is done drying. I've added my little moth butterfly thing, and I think this is the final touch here, and we are finished. So I did incorporate almost all of the elements that she put into this kit, and I'm pretty proud of myself. I hope that she likes it, and I think this is gonna look so cute on my wall when I figure out where to put it. This is so cute. I think it turned out very nicely. Hang on, you guys, let me go ahead and tie it off. Alright, you guys, and that wraps it up for me. Thank you so much for having joined me today on this lovely video. I hope that you guys had fun. I know that I had fun, and I enjoyed the mystery of it all and seeing what we all come up with. And I can't wait to see all y'all's videos. And oh, well, that's gonna wrap it up for me, you guys. That's all the time that I have. I hope y'all have a lovely day. We have visitors coming, so I'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye, guys.